A few years ago, a young man living in Kazakhstan inherited an old house from a deceased relative. Last year, he decided to renovate the house and started to tear down the walls for remodeling. After tearing off some boards, he noticed a bundle of old rags. When he unwrapped it, he found an old pistol. The gun was in good condition and fully oiled, but it had traces of old corrosion on it that made it impossible to read the name. He did notice, however, that the gun looked a lot like an American Colt 1911, only in a smaller form. After spending some time in the internet, the guy found out that it was a Spanish Star MMS Model 1921 pistol. It was chambered for the 7.63 Mauser cartridges. They were also called Spanish Colts because of the resemblance. These pistols were also made with the 9mm cartridges. How this gun came to be in the wall of the house is not known. It is most likely that the gun was brought back from the war by a relative who kept it just in case. In order not to get into trouble with the law, the young man took the gun to the police. He also made a video of the incident. The police told him that the gun would be handed over to the local museum after their examination.